वेल वैलेंटाइंस का दिन और भी ज़्यादा स्पेशल बनने वाला है बिकॉज ऑल बालाजी आ रहा है क्रैश के साथ और मेरे साथ बैठी हैं आज अनुष्का सेन. फर्स्टली वेलकम टू टेलीचक्कर अनुष्का.
थैंक यू सो मच.
वेल हाउ डज इट फील दैट इस सीरीज़ के साथ आप वैलेंटाइंस डे की शुरुआत करने वाली हैं, फैंस को बहुत ज़्यादा सरप्राइज करने वाली हैं अपने किरदार से, क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
मेरा डेब्यू सीरीज़ है एंड इसलिए मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ इस बार बिकॉज एनी डेब्यू इज़ रियली स्पेशल टू यू नो. एंड ये एक जोन है जो मैं बहुत दिन से करना चाहती थी, वेब. एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज टोल्ड ऑल्सो कि ये एक चीज़ मैंने अभी तक एक्सप्लोर नहीं की है. सो फाइनली आई एम डूइंग अ वेब शो एंड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट योर लाइक 4 days एंड आई कांट वेट कि लोगों को कैसा लगता है, क्योंकि इतना प्यार मुझे मिला है पोस्टर्स से. एंड जब उन्हें फर्स्ट टाइम पता चला इतना, ऑलरेडी आई हैव गॉटन सो मच लव फॉर दैट. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर गेटिंग द रिव्यूज़ कि कैसे उन्हें शो लगता है.
I remember this thing very clearly that while you guys were shooting in the Kolaba side and the town side, there were certain pictures that were coming from there, and I was like, are they really shooting or they are chilling? Because we could not even understand. So how was the shooting experience for you guys?
It was really good. It was actually like a chill shoot. I couldn't feel like I was working. It was not. It was of course hectic because we were doing 20-25 days night shift only. क्योंकि हमारा जो web show है उसमें you'll see 80% of the scenes are mostly night. So that's why we were doing only night shoot. और अभी हमारा टाइम ऐसा हो गया कि मतलब अमेरिकन टाइम जोन में चले गए हम लोग. Not feeling sleepy in the night and feeling sleepy in the morning. But it doesn't feel like work because of the environment that I was working with. We were actually chilling when we were not shooting, and we were having a lot of fun. We were taking pictures and discussing and talking, just talking, just chilling, getting to know each other. That was so good. And the entire team, like the cast and the crew, so good. Our director sir, Kushal sir, he is so chill. He's the coolest director I've worked with. And जब भी कोई scene होता है, he will give you that space, that he's always open for opinions. He's always open for discussing the scenes and doing your own stuff as well. तो वो आपको of course बताते थे कि this is what I'm planning to do. But Anushka, you tell me like how are you seeing this scene? How do you want to do this scene? So when it comes like पूरा creative team, direction team and the actors, when it all comes together, then there's a banger project, like a very good project coming in.
Well, you know what, honestly speaking, I remember when I had a last word with you, your parents hold a very important place in your life because they are the ones who sit and decide with you whether, ये character करना है, ये role करना है कि नहीं. उनका क्या कहना था when they got to know about Crash and your role in it? What was their feedback?
They're very excited about Crash because we have gotten other, offers about web shows, and we were like, okay, yeah, ठीक है. But debut में I always wanted to do something which was like, oh wow, what is this, So I wanted to surprise people with a character and a character that I've not done before. You'll be surprised I've never actually played like a character like this, like Alia Mehra. I've not played a character like that. So finally when we got the offer of this role and my parents, we were discussing that how cool, yeah, this is not only because of my character but because the entire storyline is so interesting, and also because there's such amazing people who are in this show. सब लोग बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. Everyone has done a great job. And Alia Mehra का favorite चीज़, if you ask me why I have taken up this role, why we all thought कि we'll do this role, is because Alia has a lot of shades in the character. मतलब probably आपको ट्रेलर में थोड़ा पता चलेगा, hint you will get that even though she is like a spoiled rich brat, एकदम like that city एकदम high class girl owning the place and all of that, but there is also a very caring and a very emotional side to her which very less people know about. Like the only close people probably know that okay, Alia also feels like this, मतलब वो ऐसे है कि she's like rich spoiled brat, but when it comes to a family or if it comes to her best friends or close friends, she can do anything for them to save them or whatever.
If I talk about the real siblings, because not the real siblings जो अब आपके real siblings convert हो चुके हैं, अगर उनकी मैं बात करूँ तो एक ऐसी चीज़ जो उनके बारे में आप spill करना चाहेंगी set पर से, beginning up with Rohan Mehra, what is that one thing you want to spill about him from the sets?
So Rohan Mehra, if you meet him, he's a very introvert, very shy, not shy, but he's a very silent, reserved person. So he's a very nice guy, you'll see, and you'll actually like Rohan. But when you actually get to know him, and the kind of bond I share with him is like a twin bro sis bond only. Now we call each other like hi twin bro, hi twin sis, actually, and we have saved each other's names also like that. But when I got to know him, I'm like, dude, there's this fun, crazy side to him that nobody knows of. And that's the one thing that I really enjoyed about knowing Rohan.
Okay. What about Zain Imam?
Zain, so I met Zain at Khatro Ki Khiladi final, okay, and I just met him for like few minutes or something, and he was like, "Hi Anushka, I've seen your promo of that show that I was doing, and you did a very good job." And you know, Zain also comes with this. If you see him, he's like a very, good personality and very hardworking, and he's done so many roles. So he comes across like a very serious guy. I always thought that Zain is like, but he's funny, like he's so funny and crazy, like the way these guys are saying they learned reels from me. The truth is that this guy is a pro. Why I'm calling him a pro? Not sarcastically. If I'm like, अच्छा कुछ reel बनाना है, he's like, he'll get that idea really quick, and his sense of humor is amazing. So that is one thing I really like about Zain.
What about Aditi?
So Aditi and I somehow, so we've never met before, surprisingly. And when I met her, we had a nice talk and all, but we both have this, like, we sit and then we have like these deep conversations, like we actually connect like sisters, like how you'll talk to your elder sister or something like that. And I've never had siblings, so talking to Aditi, I've always felt like she gives advice, and she's like that elder sister I don't have, and now I do. So yeah, Aditi is that. Also, there's also a crazy side to everybody. That's what I'm saying. My point being that these all people are crazy. We all are crazy. That's what you could see when we're giving other interviews also. We are all crazy and a lot of fun people. So yeah, that is about Aditi.
Okay, any parting words to them, because 14th Feb is going to be much more special for them, because Valentine's पे Crash release होगा, उनको आप दोबारा देखने को मिलने वाले. What do you have to say to them?
So I remember like my fans were waiting for a new project, and they were like telling me that what is gonna come, and I was working. And then finally when they got to know, I got so much unconditional love, and thank you for always supporting. Just 14th Feb, Crash is releasing. Watch it with your family, with your friends, with whoever you want to, because it's a family show. It's a very good show. All have worked really hard, so I hope you guys enjoy.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure having you, and I wish you all the luck. Good luck, and I'll see you next, maybe जब भी next project आता है. Well, this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now. With me was Anushka Sen, and camera person is Amit Singh. So stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.